Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing some basic cleaning around my house, so if you want to see that, then go ahead and keep watching. I'm starting off in my kitchen, just cleaning up from breakfast that I made. So I'm just getting some stuff put away and wiping down some things on the counters, and then I'm going to go ahead and get the dishes done, load the dishwasher, and wash a couple things by hand too. So I was just using the Orange Clove Mrs. Meyer's dish soap from the seasonal collection during the winter, and now I'm going to take the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser and wash out my sink. I like to use that after I have dishes sitting in the sink for any amount of time. It smells so good and it just gets it really clean. Now typically I would vacuum my floors to get up all the dog hair and crumbs and stuff. I vacuum all the hard floors in my whole house, but Berkeley was actually napping and I needed to get this done, so I did it the old school way and I swept up the kitchen. Now I'm heading into the bathroom and I'm just using some Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner for the mirror, and I'm going to use the peppermint Mrs. Meyer's spray for the countertops. I'm also going to take this Mrs. Meyer's surface scrub stuff and sprinkle it in my sink, and I'm just using this little scrub brush that I think I picked up at Walmart. It has dish soap in it, so that's what I always use to scrub out the sink, get the toothpaste and stuff out of there from the kids. I'm also going to switch around the laundry and start a new load, and right now I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's geranium scent in the laundry soap and the fabric softener. You got the promise of being someone to love. You made me promise to treat you just like you want. I'm sick and tired of being the one you judge. Now I'm just going to head into the living room and get everything straightened up and put back where it goes, and then get my furniture wiped down. I also noticed that the chairs and the bottom part of my table were looking pretty dingy with fingerprints and stuff like that, so I decided to give those a good scrub down as well. So I always get questions about where my dining room table and chairs came from, and also the buffet that matches it. So I thought I would just tell you guys that are new. Some of you may know, but this dining set has been in my family for over 90 years. It was my great-grandparents, and my grandma passed them down to me just when we bought our house. She let me have them, so that was super special. And I just painted the bottom half with white chalk paint and sealed it with polyacrylic and recovered the cushions. Actually added more foam and recovered them twice now. But if you go back and watch some old videos, like especially the old cleaning videos from when we first bought our house just a little over a year ago, then you will see what it used to look like. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to head into my bedroom and get my bed made and kind of straighten up, and what do you know, there's Jasper sleeping away on my bed as usual. And I swear, you guys, in every single cleaning video, more times than not, he is just snoozing on my bed and cannot be bothered when I make the bed. He's like, okay, make the bed so I can go back to sleep. Thank you, lady.
Sorry, I failed to stay around.
So now I'm going to fold this giant pile of laundry, and I just got done telling Berkeley that the boys' clothes were in that basket behind me. So she went and got their shorts and put them in there, and she's clapping, and I was like trying to get my show on the app on my phone to come up, and so she's looking at me like, hello mom, did you see what I just did? It was so cute. So I've got This Is Us playing on the NBC app on my phone, and I'm just gonna get all of this laundry folded.
And I know that you'll be happy when I am on my way. Don't say you love me still, 'cause I don't know how to make it back. Oh, I'll be running forever.
So we have been working on potty training with Berkeley just a little tiny bit here and there, and she saw these little panties that I just set on the ground, and she grabbed them and she's like, Mom, I want these on. So we put them on over her onesie, and she wore them like this all day. It was so cute.
Letting my troubles set the sound, dim the light in our fantasy. But you'll be happy, yeah, when I am on my way. Don't say you love me still, 'cause I don't know how to make it right. Oh, I'll be running forever.
But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Be sure to hit the subscribe buttons. That way you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!